I find it much easier to frog these woven fabrics than it is to tink them. I'm just going to show you what I do to frog them. This is side one of the fabric. I like to frog this so that I'm ready to work a side one row again. When I'm finished frogging this, my yarn should end up at the right. I'm still pulling this yarn out. It'll end up at the right, but I'm going to start picking up stitches here at the left. You start by picking up one of these edge stitches. Then you pick up a background stitch. It has 2 loops on the needle. And then you'll pick up 2 design stitches. They'll either be on the front or the back, and you can just sort of see that these ones at the back are further to the left. So I'm just going to pick up those 2. And then there will be a background stitch that has 2 loops on the needle. And now we're going to start alternating between design stitches on the front and design stitches on the back. The design stitches will be in groups of 4. So I'm just going to pick up 1, 2, 3, 4 design stitches. I look for a background stitch that's in the middle of the fabric. 4 design stitches at the back. A background stitch, 4 design stitches at the front. You can see that I'm not really worried about getting the stitches mounted the correct way. If you take a closer look at the fabric, you'll see that the background stitches are very much in the middle of the fabric, and there's design stitches that are on the front and on the back. They're very well separated. So I'm going to grab that background stitch that's in the middle. Now I can get those 4 design stitches that face the back, a background stitch in the middle, 4 stitches from the front, this background stitch. I don't think I caught both loops completely there, but I'll fix it when I do my second pass and fix all the stitches. I'll need to fix that background stitch because I don't think I've caught it correctly. And near the edge, I'm going to have 2 design stitches on their own, and those ones are facing the back again. There's 1 background stitch near the edge, and then there's the edge stitch. I'm going to go back through and reorient all my stitches now, and I'm also going to make sure I've caught the loops all properly.